Welcome, bestie. If you're new to weight loss, then this is your safe, honest starting point. No gym, no stress. And if you're new here, my name is Winnie James. I'm a weight loss health coach. And on this channel, we explore weight loss hacks and also becoming the best version of yourself. Today, we are going to look at how to start your weight loss journey without gym and also going on a crazy diet, step by step, on how to achieve your weight loss goal without complications. I'm going to break it kama kawaida in 3 sections, and the third one is a must. So stay with me until the end because I will share a bonus on how to go about it. And let me tell you, I was 96 when I started my weight loss journey, and these simple hacks helped me to lose weight. Now I am 65 and have maintained 65 kgs for some years now. And number one, it is the mindset. This is key. If this one is not in place, let me tell you, you might try the intermittent fasting, you might try eating only protein, you might also try to go on the gym, and it will not work because this one is a must have if you want to lose weight. You have to change your mindset. You have to have a growth mindset. Start slow. Focus on progress and not perfection. You are not just losing weight, you are also changing your life, because losing weight is just one part of your journey of becoming the best version of yourself, because you want to feel confident, you want to feel better, you want to dress up and feel good every time you put on an outfit. You don't want to wear clothes and then you start questioning yourself. You want to love what you see on the mirror. So work on your mindset. This one will help you big time, because once you start telling yourself where you're going, you accept where you are at, but you start behaving as where you're going. This one will help you big time. If you have not worked on your mindset, you cannot lose weight. And number two, pick 3 habits that you need to change. Work on 3. Don't work on 7 or 10 habits in a day, or because these are daily habits that you need to change for you to achieve what you want. If you start with 10 items that you need to change or routines that you need to change, you're setting yourself for failure, because once you're not able to do it one day, you'll be like starting every other time. You'll be like, no, I can't do this. This is not my thing. I am not good at this one. So just pick 3 items. A human being can be able to focus on 3 items every single day without fail. Focus on these 3 if you're just beginning. Number 1, walk 30 minutes. And I know you may be thinking, Winnie, I have children, I have a husband, I have work, I have even 2 jobs. Where do I get 30 minutes? Do you know you can actually do 30 minutes in your house in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening? What you need to do, it is to write it down that you're doing 30 minutes walk every single day. And why 30? If you walk 10 minutes, you awake your body. Your body start thinking, your body start feeling that there is something that is happening in the body. If you walk 20 minutes, you help the body to circulate the blood efficiently. So you need to do it. And now when you do 30 minutes walk, now you start burning fat. That's why 30 minutes every single day, it will help you big time to burn fat, to burn belly fat, and also many other diseases that are related with the blood not circulating in the body the right way. You can Google and you will find the diseases related with that. I'm not here to tell you that one today. I am talking about weight loss. Remember, we are focusing on 3 things to do every single day. This one we are incorporating in our routine. And number 2, we said it is drinking water before meal. It will help you to reduce the appetite. So if you eat a whole dinner plate, then you will find yourself eating half of that food, because already the stomach or the belly has already been filled with water halfway. So this one will help you to have just enough for the body, not eating excess. And number 3, reduce sugar intake. Note this, I did not say remove sugar. And this is how simple it means. It means if you take tea in the morning or coffee, and then you put 5 tablespoons of sugar, reduce from 5 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons. Why? Because your mind cannot tell when you're having 5 tablespoons and when you're having 3 tablespoons. So trick your mind that you're not restricting yourself not to drink sugar, but you're actually reducing, because you know sugar stores as fat in the body. And because you're on a weight loss journey and you want to burn fat and you also want to lose weight, then this is a way to do it. Just reduce it. If you have cokes or fizzy drinks, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 glasses a day or 5 glasses, reduce it to 3 and you will see your life change. Within no time, you will be able to see results. Allow me to pray this video and I will be back with the tip number 3, and this will be the last one. And this, I'm telling you, it is a must watch, because if you mix these 3, you'll be able to lose weight faster and naturally. You don't need to go for surgery or on a crazy diet. Big shout out to our sponsor today, that is the Diaspora Insurance Company. They have sponsored this video, and if you have not checked them out, please check them out. I will leave their website link on the description box so that you can go check out what they are doing, because they are doing amazing job. If you're an African living in diaspora, you need to get this policy. This policy is a must have. Let's get into our today's video. And point number 3, it is beginner's workout. Let me tell you, nutrition is king and exercise is queen. When you put together, you make a kingdom, and that is you. So I'm going to share with you very simple workout to do at home that you can just take 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so, and then you're good. You can just decide that you'll be doing this once you jump on the bed, and then you just do 10 minutes or 5 minutes workout, and then you're good to go. Why do you need to do this? Because when you create a routine with your life, then that is when you see results. And number 1 exercise that is very simple: do squat. It will help you to strengthen your bones and also to grow your bum. It is squats. You don't have to do 100 like you see on the gym for the gym gurus. No, you don't have to go that way. No, you only need to start slow, and remember, it is progress, not perfection. Just do 10 squats every morning. It can be in the night, it can be afternoon. Just tailor your weight loss or tailor your life the way you would like, the way you enjoy. Don't copy anyone's out there. You can steal their concept, but tailor it to what works for you, to what works for your lifestyle. So just do 10 squats in the morning. That will help you with your bum and also to strengthen your bones and also your legs, which is very important because your body or your weight is carried by your legs. And number 2, do the jumping jacks. This one will help your blood and also your heart to pump, and it will help you to lose fat faster, because when you're jumping, you're breathing hard. When you're jumping, you're breathing hard, and that is how fat comes out of your body. And number 3 exercise, do wall push-up. This one is very simple and also helps to burn fat, so strengthen your arm. You can do this exercise twice or thrice if you have time, but even when you do once, you are still doing something. So if you can only do once every single day, then you are good to go and you're on your journey to weight loss. It is just a matter of short time and you will see changes. Let me know in the comment section, in these 3 steps, which one are you going to start with? Is it the mindset, which is very key? Is it the routine, which is very important? Or is it the workout? My name is Winnie James. I'm a weight loss coach, and if you would want to level up your weight loss journey, I have a 7-day detox that will help you to lose between 3 kgs to 5 kgs in just 7 days. The link, it is in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, balance, enjoy, and thrive. Cheers.